Okay, so here we have Blephasol Duo. Can you tell me more about this product, please?
Absolutely. So Blephasol Duo is a really great way of effectively managing your eyelid health and keeping them really nice and clean long term. So we might wake up in the morning and our eyelids are stuck together a little bit, or might be a little bit crusty, and we need something that's going to really effectively clean them. Equally, we might get to the end of the day and find that they're a little bit sore, they've got a little bit of debris in them, so we want something that's really going to work well to clean that really delicate area. So Blephasol Duo is really easy to use because it comes with 100 lint-free pads in there ready for you to use. So you put about a 10p piece size of solution onto the pad, keep it folded up. It comes out quite nice and slowly, so you're not going to get too much out in one go. And then you simply open up the pad, wrap it around a clean finger and wipe over both of your eyelids so you can get into your lid margins and get those lids nice and clean.
Great, thank you.